Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add languages for your live captions in Google Chrome. So, first let's open our Google Chrome. And now, here I have a video which is in Hindi. And although my live caption is enabled, the live captions won't be shown for this particular video as I have not downloaded any Hindi subtitle files. So, even if I play it,
मौत बनकर बरस रही हैं अपने दुश्मनों को चुन चुन
you can see that no subtitle is appearing. First, let's go to the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then hit Settings. And here you can see the Accessibility tab. Click on it and you can see that the live caption toggle is already on. The preferred caption language is in English. Now, to add any other language apart from the default language, what you need to do is that you can see this Manage Languages option, and here you can see the button Add Languages. Simply click on this button. And now you can choose any language that you want. For example, I will choose Hindi. Just after, you can also choose multiple languages at a time, but for now we are just going with Hindi. Now, once you do that, simply click on the Add button once you have selected all of your preferred languages. Simply click on the Add button. Now, it will download some speech files and you will have to wait till it downloads it and unpacks the files. Once that is done, you will be ready to get the captions in any language that you want. Now, the speech files have been downloaded, so let's see if it is working or not.
उनका निशाना बनाने वाले इजराइल ने अब हमास के चीफ सिनवार के खात्मे का दावा.
Here you can see that the captions are successfully being loaded in the language and it is decided automatically based on the language that is being spoken in the particular video. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.